Good morning, friends. I just did a grocery haul, if you can see. Right here, there's a lot of meat. A lot of meat. So if you want to go check that video out, I'll link it for you guys. But today we're gonna vlog what I eat in a day, all that good stuff like normal. So yeah, I'm gonna put these groceries away and then I'm gonna get started with my day. It is currently a little late in the day. What time is it? It's almost noon. So I'm pretty well into the day, but I haven't eaten anything yet except for I've had my coffee as usual. Also, oh my God. These are my new Nespresso pods. Pumpkin spice cake. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. These are not sweetened. I know that sounds like it would be sweet, but it's not. It's just flavor to like give it that pumpkin spice taste, but it's not sweetened at all. You put your own sweetener in there if you want sweetener, or maybe you don't like sweetener at all. But if you have an espresso, go order these right now. They're amazing. So now I'm gonna put my groceries away and then I'm gonna cook something, but I don't know what I'm gonna cook. Probably a Philly cheesesteak bowl is what I'm thinking, with like an egg on top. Yeah. Let's do that. Beckett's still asleep. His morning nap, he just went to sleep. Please stay asleep for a minute so I can cook. Please. So hard to cook with a baby in the kitchen. Especially when you deal with hot grease like we do, because we're basically cooking in grease 24/7. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna cook. It is beef shaved steak from Kroger. And I'm gonna make a Philly cheesesteak bowl. So first I'm gonna chop up some onion, put it in the skillet. I've got some bacon grease in here. And then I'll put some meat in and season it up. And then I'll just put it in a bowl with some cheese. So I'm just warming up the grease. Then I'm gonna throw in the onions. Then I'm gonna throw in the steak. Yum yum. I'm gonna use some of the Flavor God Chipotle seasoning and some Redmond salt and some Redmond's garlic salt. And that ought to do it for the meat seasoning. And then I'm gonna stuff my face. Oh yeah, in case you didn't know, because some of you may not, Dr. Berry and I both have discounted bundles for Redmond salts, and I will link those in the description for you guys because it comes with a lot of the different like lemon pepper and that kind of thing. And then also I'll link my cookware because I get asked about that all the time and I forget to link it. So I will. It's called Green Pan and they're super clean and non-stick without any of the messy stuff that nobody wants. So I'll link those in the description for you as well. I love them. I've had them for almost a year and I've had no trouble out of them at all. So I'll link all of that for you guys in the description in case you're interested. Okay, now it's done. I'm gonna put it in this bowl, which I will also link because I get a lot of questions about my plate bowls. I always use these. I never use regular plates. Plate bowls is where it's at. So I'm gonna put my meat in here and then I'm gonna put some cheese on top of it. say hi first? Hi. No. No, some meat. Is it good?
Yeah.
More? So Dr. Berry's eating my leftover, I don't even know what to call that. It's shredded steak with some onion.
Shredded beef is very good.
It is good. And then what are you cooking up over here?
A couple of T-bones.
T-bones?
Yep.
You're not gonna cook the pork? You wanna wait on that?
I'm gonna save it.
I think that would be best on the grill.
Yep.
Don't you?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. You just cooking in bacon grease?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I used the last of my bacon grease. I've been instructed not to touch Nisha's bacon grease, so
I'll share with you. I just don't want you to dump everything else in there. I'm a purist when it comes to my bacon grease.
yeah, grease is grease.
Oh gosh. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello. Eat?
No.
Yeah, eat. Good job.
Baby.
Good job, baby. If you didn't know, this is the sign for eat. And our baby knows how to sign. Pretty proud.
No.
You can sign milk, eat, and all done. But he's not all done yet. What you doing?
I'm saving bones for
Okay.
your famous bone broth. It's another great way to make a food budget go way further. The T-bones, and of course I didn't get all the meat off. No one ever can. But we're going to save these and freeze them. There's some chicken bones in there already. And Saturday, Sunday, Nisha will put these in the Instapot and turn them into delicious bone broth. Not only getting all the nutrition out of the leftover meat, but also all the nutrition out of the inside of the bone will then be in my belly.
Into the freezer.
Into the freezer.
Beckett.
No.
Come on, dude. Beckett just fed the chickens. They are free range, but we give them some chick feed too. I was trying to record it, but I did not hit record, therefore I missed it. It's okay though. It's Chick for X. Come along, ladies. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Oh, you're a pretty girl.
Completely cleared that.
What in the crap? What did that?
Must have hit that with the mower.
Oh, maybe. No eggs. What's up with these chickens?
I'm gonna clean all that out and put some fresh hay.
Yeah. They haven't even been in there. They've been in the tree at night. They sleep in the tree. So we might need to go on an Easter egg hunt in the yard and see if there's any eggs. This is my chicken salad. I'll link it. It's on my blog and it's actually on my YouTube channel too. So I'll link it in the description for you guys. It's pretty simple. Alright, so it's the next day. And I did wind up eating half a ribeye last night around 10:30. But I wanted to film this little outro because I'm on the way to pick up something pretty fantastic and I want to show it to you guys because I think it's a huge deal and I think I'm more excited about it than the person this involves, but that's okay. So let's go to Walgreens. Okay, it's way later in the day, but I didn't find what I was looking for, so I'm just going to insert a photo here so you guys can see. Go grab a copy when it comes out. I am so proud of this husband of mine. I can't even tell you. Like, oh my God, I'm gonna cry again. I'd never cried before I had this baby, and now I cry all the freaking time. But I am so incredibly proud of him. Oh my God, I'm such a crybaby. And I can't even put it into words exactly how proud I am. And he couldn't have done it without all of you who follow him and follow me. And it's crazy how far this past year has brought us and how much both of us have grown into completely different people. And I'm grateful for bad things, because apparently if you don't fight it, it makes you a better person. So yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. It's pretty great. All right, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Love you, mean it. Bye.